back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at Smiirl. This here is a live counter of your social media account, mainly Instagram and Facebook, so you can go ahead and see the exact moment somebody follows you or likes your specific account. Now the one we have here is a YouTube custom version, so if you guys wanted your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. And if you want to go ahead and get a custom one and program it, be sure to check out the contact down below where I went to get mine programmed as well. Now, in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and seeing exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this here is the box. This here is our counter by Smiirl. Now, we got the custom YouTube counter. So it's not something that you can go ahead and just pick off the back. You have to click on custom, upload your own image, and then from there you have to program it yourself to make it work. Now, they have a default Instagram and a default Facebook where you just go ahead and plug and play and literally instantaneously it'll start working. But this is a little bit more complicated, which we'll see in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it includes. So it says to start, simply go to smiirl.com/start. And then you do see this nice little foam peekaboo display showcasing our lovely counter. Look at that. So it comes in this nice display case, which is actually pretty cool. And then we also have our power adapter. So this here is labeled Smiirl, so that's nice. Comes with a cleaning cloth. I'm assuming if people do touch it, you want to clean it. And then last but not least, you get some universal adapters to go ahead and use it if you're out of country, which I guess it'll be kind of cool for like trade shows. So this is really nice. You have this nice looking acrylic glass casing, and it has this ABS plastic kind of finish to it. You can hear the dials, and then they're actually like flip numbers, and you see this wood engravement. So it's actually real wood that they use, kind of give it a showcase. And then we have our logo, which we chose the YouTube logo printed on there, identifying our exact subscriber account. And then you have a Ethernet port right over here, so you can technically plug it in to your Wi-Fi router without having to worry about the whole wireless setup. But you can always go ahead and use the Wi-Fi. This thing has built-in Wi-Fi, so you don't have to worry about that. And then our power adapter will plug here into the corner, and let's see what happens. So there's no power light. That's a bit of a bummer. I wish there was. Oh! We have movement! All right, so let's go ahead and open up the website next and connect to our Smiirl. All right, so this here is going to be our counter. So we click on settings, and it'll allow us to go ahead and connect to our counter by simply clicking connect to the internet. So this will go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi. And then from there, you go ahead and upload your JSON URL code. This will be directly linked to your YouTube, so you want to make sure you use an API for that. I actually went ahead and contacted a good friend of mine who actually does coding. So if you guys want to go ahead and contact him, you're more than welcome to. His link is in the description below. You can just let him know that you're trying to get your Smiirl configured to go ahead and read YouTube, and he'd be more happy to help you out with that based off his charge rates. But yeah, be sure to check that out. Now moving on the bottom here, we do have your attributes. We can go ahead and select different variations from numbers to identifications, and then we can go ahead and change the reactivity. So the reactivity will go ahead and adjust in terms of real time or in terms of every so and so minutes. So based off of that, like every 5 minutes it'll go ahead and readjust, or every 1 minute it'll go ahead and readjust. It's all based off of that. We are turning it on, and I think it's gonna work. Right now we're at 702,000, I think, so. Look at that! So there you have it, 702,000 subscribers at the moment, and that is exactly what it's saying. I'm not sure when I'll be uploading this video, but that is what it is. Look how cool that is. And if I kind of like move it around, look, does it change the numbers? No, it doesn't. It goes right back to it. 702,000. That's so cool. So this here is our settings. So another thing we could do is kind of like play around with the numbers if we really wanted to. So we can go ahead and control the numbers as well. So like right now I just put 1, 2, 3, 4. If I change it to say 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 and hit OK, I'll go ahead and just swap out the numbers just like that. That's so cool. And literally it's happening all in real time. Let's do all 9s and see what happens. And this is so cool. Alright, and then if I unplug it, and then if I replug it. So right now what it's doing is it's resetting the playing field, and then it's going to go ahead and go back to 702,000, which is our current subscriber count. And yeah, round it up to 1,000, but I think that's something that you can work on with the coding. But it's kind of cool the fact that you can go ahead and do this. So it should be changing on its own. This is so cool, so you can just go ahead and like hang this up here like this. And then you guys will be able to see the subscriber count whenever, wherever. So the possibilities are quite endless in terms of what you can do with it, which is really cool. Well, there you guys have it. This here is Smiirl. Overall, a cool idea of the fact that you can go ahead and customize something like this to go ahead and reach your subscriber count, or just about anything if you want to go ahead and program it just the way you want it to. And overall, I have to say they did a great job in terms of the finishing goes and the whole idea behind it. Very unique and something very cool to see. And literally right now it is updating to our subscriber count, which is really cool. And that is not our subscriber count, but I wish it really was. That's just us messing around from before. And yeah, there you guys have it. If you had any questions about the Smiirl, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.